I've owned this Series 1 Lotus Exige since March last year. It literally was a barn find.
First car is probably the most famous Ford Escort in the world. The car driven by Hanno Mikkel and Gunnar Palm that did eventually win.
Tudor Rose, the historic dragster here. The car was originally built in 1967 by Dennis Priddle and Rex Sluggett. They ran it for only 1 year, 1968. In that time, it took the world record up at Elvington Airfield in Yorkshire.
Primarily built as a rally car. Audi were originally going to produce only 400 for rally homologation purposes, but the car proved to be quite a good seller. The cars were developed in pretty much secrecy. The engineers of Audi were actually on a bit of an away day back in the late 70s, and they were driving the Volkswagen Iltis.